Hey everyone, I'm Cherie, independent designer for Couture. In this project today, the supplies I've used are the ink mat, transfers, painter's tape, the kitchen towels, and then I used parchment paper and an iron to heat set and make it permanent. Alright, I showed you where I used the mat. It is a sticky mat. It's not necessary, but it's very helpful. It keeps the fabric in place and smooths it out, so it makes it much easier to ink on. I did use painter's tape because the ink, unlike the chalk, will stain and is permanent, so you want to make sure you don't get anything on your fabric where you don't want it. And then I just used the red and the black ink. Just squeegeed it on, same as the chalk paste. And now I'm be careful as I'm taking the painter's tape off and the transfer, not to transfer ink where I don't want it. And wicked chickens lay deviled eggs. Cute, huh? And now the second one. Kitchen's closed. This heifer's had it. And just inking away with the red on the black with a squeegee, taking off the excess, putting the extra into the jar to use again for another project another time. It really does last quite a while. Again, taking off the painter's tape. And when you're done with this transfer, you do wash it off and then take a Lysol or Clorox wipe on both sides to clean. Let it dry on the sticky side up. And there's a finished product. If you enjoyed my video, if you would just push the like and share button. Thanks for watching. Bye.